It was a cold autumn night. Mia and her little brother Tom were sleeping in their small room. The wind was strong. The trees outside scratched the window. Suddenly, Mia opened her eyes. She heard a whisper. Mia. Her heart started to beat fast. She looked at Tom, but he was still asleep. Mia pulled the blanket over her head. The whisper came again. Mia, come and play. Mia wanted to scream, but she couldn't. She closed her eyes tight. Then she felt something cold touch her hand. She jumped and turned on the small lamp beside her bed. The room was empty. But on the floor, near the door, there was a small old doll. The doll had one eye missing, and it was smiling. Mia whispered, "Tom, wake up." Tom opened his eyes and saw the doll too. The doll's head slowly moved, left and right, and then, with a tiny voice, the doll said, "Play with me, forever." The lamp flickered, the whisper grew louder, and the room became colder and colder. Mia and Tom held each other tight. The doll walked closer, step by step. Suddenly, the window opened wide, and the wind blew the doll outside into the dark night. Silence. The doll was gone. Mia and Tom never saw it again. But sometimes, on cold nights, they can still hear the whisper at the window. Mia, Tom, come and play.